is for the Business 2000 class. I downloaded the instructions and the Excel spreadsheet for Project 2 off Cengage. I have the instructions pulled up on my other monitor. You guys don't need to see that. So once we open it, we enable editing. And then I want to rename this, but to rename it I have to upload. So I'm going to click at the top, I'm going to upload to my OneDrive is fine. Alright, and then once that's uploaded, I can rename it directly. So you just change the 1 to a 2. Boom. Alright, that's that heading part done. So now project steps 1, blah blah blah, roleplay stuff. Go to employees for projects worksheet. So at the bottom we're going to employees for projects. And then change the worksheet theme to office. We're going to go to page layout, we're going to click on themes, and then we're going to select office. In cell A1, decrease the font size to 18 and change the fill color to blue accent 1, lighter 80%. So we're going to click cell A1, and we're going to go back to home. We're going to change the font size to 18, change the fill color to blue accent 1, blue accent 1, lighter, dark blue. I'm colorblind, guys. Give me a sec. Turquoise. Okay, so we actually have to go back to page layout, select colors, and then go to the Office 2013 to 2022. I don't really know why it's like that, but it's like that. The colors of these worksheets are not available. Yeah, so blue accent 5, and then we're going to go to blue accent 1, 80%. So this one? Yeah, blue accent 1, 80%. So that's going to be second row, fifth one. So enter the values in the range B3 and to B9. So B3 to B9, and then we're going to click center right here. It's in alignment. Not merge and center, just center. Okay, add outside borders to A1 to C9. A1 to C9, so the entire thing. And then we're going to click right here. We're going to click the drop down arrow, and we're going to click outside borders. Add outside borders, yep. Alright, outside borders. Okay, step 5, change the colors of the employee for. Okay, so you're going to right click the tab at the bottom for employees for projects, click on tab color, and then blue accent 1. So that'll be first row, fifth one. Step 6, go to project tracking worksheet. And cell B2, change the date format. Okay, so let's find B2 first. Alright, there's B2. Cell B2, change the date format of cell B2 to short date, and number format drop down menu and short date. So we're going to click on the little bottom right corner of number format. I don't actually know which one short date is. Number format drop down menu. Wait, so maybe it's not in here. My bad. Maybe it's here. Oh yeah, short date. Alright. Yeah, so not the bottom right number, you're just going to click that opening at the top to short date. Okay, let's see. And resize column B to its best fit. So we're going to right click B, we're going to click on column width, right? Resize column B to its best fit. Sure. Wait, no, cancel. My bad, guys. I'm low-key making this shit up. Format cells. Nah. Oh man, I just did this the other day too. Shoot. I knew it was gonna be perfect. This is my first attempt at this thing. Resize column B to its best fit. So we click on B. In the home tab, we're gonna click format. Oh, there it is. Auto fit column width. There we go. Sorry guys, maybe I'll cut that part out. Alright, so now we're on step 7. Display the values in the range D4 to D13 with 1 decimal place. D4 to D13 with 1 decimal place. So we're gonna click increase decimal just to add 1 decimal place. In cell F4, insert a formula without using a function. Oh, brother. Oh, God. F4. Insert a formula without using a function that multiplies Aubrey Irwin's estimated hours, D4, and his pay rate, E4. Fill the range without a function. What do you mean? Average count max. Says without a function. Can I just do A4 times D4? Or no, A4 times E4. No, D4 times E4. Without a function though? Oh man. Copy. Go to our trusty Google. Cell C4. It says without a function. I guess whatever. Alright, so it's equal D4 times E4. I guess. Maybe. Okay. Fill the range F5, F13 with the formula in cell F4. Copy. Okay, so if you just copy the cell F4 and then select the range F5 to F13 and then paste, it'll paste the formula into every single cell, and it'll adjust for each row on its own. That's pretty cool. Alright, so now for F4 to F13, we're gonna apply the currency number format. So we're gonna click in the number tab, or number section of the home tab. I'm gonna click general, and then we're gonna click currency. Make sure it has 2 decimal places, which it should by default. Alright, step 10. Display the values in the range K4 to K13 with a percentage sign and no decimal places. So once again, we're gonna go back to the number section, and we're gonna select percentage this time. And right now, by default, it has 2 decimal places, but we're supposed to do no decimal places. So same part in the number tab, we're going to find decrease decimal, 1, 2. So you should have a percentage sign and no decimals in column K. Use conditional formatting. Highlight cells rule to format cells containing a value greater than 10%. Okay, conditional formatting right here. So it'll be in styles, right next to the number section. Click the drop down. We're gonna do highlight cell rules, and then we're gonna do greater than, and then we're gonna change that 6% to 10%. And then we're gonna fill it with light red fill with dark red text. Yep, which should be default. Boom. Alright, now, step 11. In the range H4 to H13. Okay. Use conditional formatting to create a data bars row with the gradient. Conditional formatting, data bars, and we're gonna do gradient fill, blue data bar. So that'll be the first option in gradient fill. Alright. Step 12 in cell G14. G14's right here. Okay. G14. Insert a formula using the average function that calculates the average amount of actual hours worked. So we're going to click on insert function. It's by the search, the formula bar, I guess. Yeah. So up here, the f of x. Then we're going to click average. We're going to click OK. So then you could just select G4 to G13 rather than fill it yourself. And we're gonna click OK. And hopefully that's right. I'll let you guys know. Or I guess we'll see together. Also, I'm not gonna cut out that part where I couldn't figure it out. I can't be bothered. I'm doing this out of the kindness of my own heart. You're getting bare minimum. Insert a formula using the minimum function that okay, step 13. Insert the minimum function that calculates the minimum amount of actual hours worked. So once again, we're going to click f of x. This time we're going to click... No, there's no min. Oh, man. Max, sin, summif. Alright, let's see. We're just going to copy the step, go to Google. Okay, so we could just type. Okay, that seems a little scuffed, but sure. So cancel. And then I'm just gonna put in equals min, and then parentheses G4, G13. Enter. And then max, I know there is a max function, so we're gonna click f of x, max, okay, and then select G4 to G13 once again. Cell G16. Oh wait, no, that's literally what I just did. Alright, your workbook should look like the final. Okay, so that should be good. So then we're just gonna save, and then I'm gonna go back to my Cengage, whatever. Go to OneDrive CUNY. I assume it's this one. SC. Yeah, okay, so then I'm just gonna drag and drop. That's bullshit. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go through here. Bang. This file is in use. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Let's close that then. Select again. Boom. Well, that is the start file, so fuck it. Let's see. Let's go to the study guide, and then I should be in the top right, like my total percentage. If it's not 100, I'm probably not going to post it. This was a waste of time. 93. Fuck. My bad. Graded summary report. What? Cell G14. Use the average. Did I not? In cell G14, insert a formula using the average function that calculates the amount of hours in range G4 to G13. I'm pretty sure that's what I did, but I'll reopen it real quick. So G14. Oh, because for some reason I have G19 and G4. Okay, my bad. Alright. Yeah, it's because I was clicking around. But yeah, there we go. hopefully you guys didn't submit it. If you did, it doesn't matter. We have 2 submissions. Who gives a fuck? So there you go. And then let's just submit it one more time and make sure I get that 100. Submit. Alright, and then we should go to the study guide and see that percentage be 100. Yes, yes. 93, missing 7 points. 100. There we go. Alright, and that's project 2.